Hello guys, welcome back to Do Art Now. In today's Halloween special, we're going to draw a pumpkin. So like you know, the shape of a pumpkin is a circle, so it's as simple, it's quite easy. But while I draw, I'm going to share some fun facts about it. So we're going to start off with the stump that's on top of the pumpkin and moving down a curved half circle and then going back down from the other side. We're going to have these sort of smaller arcs or smaller curves just to indicate that shape of that pumpkin because it's sort of segmented, and that's what I'm trying to create over here. Hey, the Halloween pumpkin is also called jack-o'-lantern, and it's a popular Halloween tradition. We're going to create the smile. I'm going to keep not the sharp teeth but the square teeth over here. And I felt it looks a little more interesting, so that you can draw a triangular or a sharp teeth. Absolutely fine. And for the nose, a triangle again. So the practice originated from an Irish myth about a man named the Stingy Jack, and that's why it's called jack-o'-lantern. The eyes, I'm going to make him look a little bit angry. Okay. And I'm going to create the depth or thickness of the pumpkin with another line. Again, likewise for the teeth and the mouth, I'm going to give a thickness to that pumpkin. So Irish immigrants brought this custom to America originally. So it started with turnips. Instead of pumpkin, there were turnips that was used. And because America had a lot of pumpkin, that's where the tradition grew to use pumpkins. Now we're going to create the segments of the pumpkin. Few arches, arcs, curves, just to get that segment. Hey, the largest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 2,700 pounds. Wow! And by the way, they are not fruits. And by the way, pumpkins are a fruit. It's not a vegetable. So now I'm going to create the dark or the shadow effect internally, creating it with black color. So yeah, we're almost there. Now I'm just going to end up creating some effects, giving it a little more rugged effect with few hatch lines. Few lines here and there just to give him a little toughness. Just to show that he's sort of worn out and adding that character of scariness. And did you know that the most pumpkins sold for Halloween in the US are grown in Illinois? So guys, if you're enjoying what you're drawing, so make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And make sure you watch the other episodes of Halloween special. If you notice, there are a lot of hatch lines. And these few hatch lines actually create that pop or excitement in the artwork. So make sure you practice them with just hatches. So soon we're going to move into the color process. And like you all know, I'm going to pick up orange for the pumpkin. Woo, that looks nice. And for the stump, I'm going to color it green. So thank you so much guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.